Shalom, I'm Troy, a staff rabbi from Jewish Voice Ministries International. Our scripture today is Exodus 20, verse 8, which is from the revelation at Mount Sinai to Moses and the people of Israel. The text tells us, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. This is a short verse that has a lot of insight, and I hope to draw some of that out with three short questions. First, how do we keep the Sabbath day holy? For something to be holy, it needs to be set apart for a unique purpose. Verses 9 and 10 that follow tells us that what makes the Sabbath day unique is that the Jewish people do not work on it. Not just we ourselves, but all those within our sphere of influence. Secondly, what do we remember on the Sabbath day? Verse 11 tells us that we remember that the Lord himself created the heavens and the earth, the sea, and all that was made. It also reminds us that he who created everything ceased from his creative work on the seventh day. So we remember to be like the Lord himself. Lastly, what does the word Sabbath mean? Most translations or biblical resources will often start with the word rest. I think this is true, but I think it's secondary. The word itself actually means to cease or desist. If we cease or desist, often rest follows. But first, we must stop. My encouragement to you today is to find a day in the week to cease from your labors. And don't just do it once a year as a vacation. Do this each and every week. And in your ceasing, you are likely to find rest.